Wonderful bullish move in crude oil yesterday. Recall, I have told several times, once it stays above 71.8 and 72 zone, the target is for 73.5. Precisely, it has gone till towards 73.4, 73.5 zone. I hope you all profited. At the same time, net gas 2 has seen a good swing. It failed to break below 2.45. That is most important, and try to trade with a bullish bias. So what to expect today? How to profit trading crude oil and natural gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can be part of free telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description, where you get the live market updates. Remember, this is the first update. Second update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the hourly chart. See, perfect rise and then a retracement, and it is giving a reversal sign here, which is also a bullish indication, and hence any sell entry is only if you see crude trading below 72.4. Till the time it stays above 2.4, the potential for it to hit 73, 73.5 levels will remain high, and if it stays above 73.5, 75 levels are the targets. Stochastic has dropped and it is trying to recover. MACD is in bullish mode. It is trying to converge crossover for a sell. It has not yet crossed over. RSI also trading very near to the overbought zone. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts to see a bullish candle retracement, and it is again trying to fly high. And hence a sell entry below 72.4 is what I will recommend, and you can buy here 73 levels, beyond which 73.5, 74.5, 75 levels cannot be denied. Yes, it can show you a good move if it stays above 73.5. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI trading very near to the overbought zone. And if you look at 3-hour on the 3-hour charts also, similar is the indication. See, it traded outside Bollinger Bands, got the retracement, got the pullback, now trying to fly high again, and hence any break beyond 73. See, till 73.5 we have to remain watchful. If it breaks the previous high, certainly we can say that it will try to trade bullish beyond that. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is still bullish here, but see the candle size, you can see this candle has flattened here, which is not a good sign for the bulls out there. RSI trading very near to the overbought zone. And if you look at the 4-hour charts here, on the 4-hour chart, see the rise, couple of retracement are trying to look upwards. See, any drop below 72.4 is what I will wait for. If it does, certainly more bearishness is going to be seen there. Hence, a sell entry below 72.4 can be taken. Stochastic on the 4-hour charts is overbought. MACD here is still divergent and bullish, and the candle size have flattened here. This is something I will watch out for. Remember, this is the second bullish wave here, and potentially it can try to achieve these highs. If it continues to stay bullish, we may see it rising. See, 73.5 it needs to break past by, then more bullishness can prevail. Stochastic RSI is also trading flat here. And if you look at the daily chart, now look at the daily charts here. See, at this point I told you that the handle is done, and it potentially we are looking for a retracement. And see, now 73.5 and 74, these two levels you should watch out for. Beyond this, if it breaks, certainly we are going to look at 75, 76.5 levels. Now see, a break outside Bollinger Bands. Now this is a retracement zone. Higher lows are seen, higher highs, which means 75 levels. And hence, if it stays above 73.5 levels today, you can wait for 74 levels to be breached, and then 75 is the target there. Stochastic was oversold and it is trying to recover. MACD has crossed over and it is trying to trade bullish. And see, we had discussed this in yesterday's analysis that crude has almost hit a bottom, and potentially a recovery from here cannot be denied. See, here was the rise, the complete retracement. Either it tries to fluctuate a bit here before looking forward to a rise. So yes, till 70 levels, 69.4 levels at least, we should not be considering oil as bearish. RSI was also at bottom trying to recover here. Hence, for the day, first thing is to sell here at 72.4 levels. Till the time it stays above 72.4, do not consider it for sell. Below 72.4, 71.8, which was the resistance earlier, now going to be the support, and then 71.5, 71 levels will come into picture. Below that, $70 is the next support. On the upside, once it breaks past 73.5, you can buy here at 73 also, but then 73.4, 73.5 is what I will look forward to. If it breaks past this, the next target is 74. Staying above 74, it is directly going to land at 75 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And one point I would like to share here is I don't run any investment scheme. Anyone who is coming to you on my name asking investment and promising lucrative returns, please report him immediately. I don't run any investment scheme, and in the world there is no easy money. It's all hard and effort, and hence don't get trapped for multifold returns. Someone who can do it and deliver multifold return from your money will do it from his own itself and will become a billionaire. So please do report anyone who is coming to you for an investment scheme promising multifold return. I only have two services. First is a training service where I run batches, where I provide my tools, techniques, and strategies so that you can become a profitable trader. And the 22nd batch for this is going to start on 1st of June. You can register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. Now, let's have a look at natural gas. Now see net gas on the hourly chart. See lower highs, lower lows. This is first part 2.55, 2.58 levels, very good resistance. Second part is despite the swing, it is back in this zone. Now this zone means a support here at 2.46 levels, very strong. And if you see it trading below 2.46, you can sell again, but then till 2.38 levels you have to put a 20 cents trailing stop loss. Below 2.46 we may see 2.44 to 2.42 levels, and till there we have to put a 2 cents trailing stop loss. Now on the upside, see it is trying to rise. Once it breaks past this zone here at 2.5 levels, certainly you can stay long about 2.5 and then expect 2.5 to 55 levels. So in between 2.5 and 2.46, I will not recommend you to take any position here for natural gas. Stochastic is rising. MACD is trying to cross over for a buy entry. RSI is flat, trying to recover. And if you look at 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour chart, see net gas was divergent here from the 20 period moving average. It has come down to the levels. It has come down to the terms. It is trying to retrace here a little. On the downside, the support is going to be till towards 2.4, 2.35 levels. Hence, you can sell here at 2.46, but then you have to remain very cautious and alert for 2.444 to 4, and then 3.8, 3.6. Till 3.6, just put a 2 cents trailing stop loss. Stochastic here is flat. The MACD is still divergent and bearish. Wait for it to cross over for order to give a confirm buy signal. RSI is flat, and if you look at 3 hour, now look at 3 hour charts, couple of retracement, higher lows, and it is trying to break past certainly about 2.5 and 2.52. You can expect it to fly high. Stochastic flat. MACD on the other hand on the 3 hour charts is divergent and bearish, and stochastic is flat. On the 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts, look at preceding two candles, lower highs, lower lows. This candle has opened flat and it is trying to rise from here. I'll wait for 2.52 levels to be breached in order to confirm a further rise, and then 2.55. Beyond 2.55 it is going to hit 2.6, and beyond 2.6 I have mentioned several times we are going to look at 2.8 and 3 levels. The stochastic is rising from the bottom. The MACD is trying to trade with slight bearishness. It is trying to trade down. It is trying to trade with a sell zone. RSI is flat, and on the daily chart, so now look at the daily charts here. First of all, new candle on this chart is yet to start. However, lower highs and higher lows are seen. However, candle size, you can see the body size is ending in green, and that is where if you see it trading below 2.46, you can sell here for 2.424 levels, which is a very good support, and below that we may see a very good drop in net gas, which might take it towards 2.353 level. Now if you look at the net gas movement, see the rise here, retracement, rise here, so potentially even if it tries to retrace 2.35 levels, certainly is going to be a very good support. So yes, sell at 2.46 and expect it to drop. At the same time, beyond 2.552 levels you can expect 2.55, and then beyond 2.55 we are going to look at higher highs, and 2.6 levels will be seen there. Hence buy at 2.5, sell at 2.46. Till 2.3635 levels we have to put a 2 cents trading stop loss. On the upside till 2.6 we have to put a 2 cents trading stop loss. Yes, keep booking profits at 2 cents. 2 cents on net gas at current moment is not a bad deal. It is a good, decent profit, and hence keep booking profits, keep re-entering if you see it trading in the same direction. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.